Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone doing? I trust and believe wholeheartedly that you are taking good care of yourselves and taking care of each other. Welcome back. What are we going to do tonight? Wait right there and I'll show you. We have, a beautiful salad. Okay, already prepped and assembled, and we're going to talk about this now. Then we're going to do the dressing and start together. So we have here romaine lettuce and sweet orange pepper and some cherry tomato. Of course, everything is organic. We have asparagus. Yep. And very simple dressing. We're going to use some extra virgin olive oil. This is Les Tournelles extra virgin olive oil. It comes from Spain, and they use organic Arabicania olives. And I thank my good, beautiful friends Sohaila and Michael Sabsi for the gift of this olive oil. They are truly my big brother and sister. And so, yes. And we're going to add some organic sprouted pumpkin seeds. Okay. And put some organic lemon. Squeeze that. Maybe we have some lemon seeds in there. I don't know. Maybe they're pumpkin seeds. We'll find out. Okay, and we're going to use a little bit of organic balsamic vinegar as well. Kind of combine our organic acids here. Next, we put some Celtic sea salt. Okay, some paprika, oregano, great for the lungs. The bitter oils and acids in oregano, very healthy for the mucous membrane linings of the lungs. Ground fennel seed, great for digestion, great for the liver. Little fenugreek seed, good for the endocrine system. Oh, and, of course, some crushed red pepper. Gotta have a little heat. Good for the immunity, good for the circulatory system. So, with the circulatory system, as long as we're bringing it up, we have crushed red pepper, yellow pepper, paprika, and so that's going to provide us with the anticoagulating effect, the anti-aggregation effect, keeps the blood from getting too thick. Then we're going to use, or we already used, the organic lemon and balsamic vinegar. And that's going to activate the nitric oxide. That's going to provide for us the nitric oxide synthase, which will trigger the endothelial lining in the blood vessels to release nitric oxide, thereby opening the vascular walls, give us a nice wide hose for the blood to flow through. That's important, one, because we need to have blood circulation, and nowadays we especially think about that because the red blood cells carry oxygen, and we need to oxygenate the entire system. Then we have our chlorophyll, which is a great blood and cellular and lymphatic purifier. We have lycopene in the tomatoes. We have vitamin C in the peppers, along with bioflavonoids. And We have zinc in the asparagus and in the pumpkin seeds. So that's very healthy for the kidneys, for the urinary and reproductive system, and also very important for the immune system. So everything here works together. And, these days where sometimes the store shelves are low on certain things, we can always find something to put together with something else, and we get the synergistic effect to maximize the health benefit of that certain meal. Tonight being this salad. So I want you to take a look. Beautiful salad. Okay. Let's give this a try. Oh, this asparagus is steamed, and I didn't steam it in a basket. I immersion steamed it in a saute pan with some water and some lemon. And we've got a little broth here, and we're going to drink this. There's also some oregano and paprika in here. Asparagus is very healthy for the kidneys. There are theories that go back over 300 years where the country herbalists in the late 1600s and in the 1700s utilized asparagus for all manner of diseases of the kidney, what they used to call dropsy, which is kidney failure, cancer of the kidneys. They would cook and crush asparagus, and people would eat the asparagus and drink the broth. This has been handed down. So if we think about the old country herbalists who preceded the Thomsonian herbalists, who preceded the eclectic physicians, who preceded the naturopathic physicians, who preceded the functional and integrative physicians of nowadays. That's how long this has been traveling from generation and generation and generation and generation. So this is very beneficial. You could look that up. Let's give this a try. I like this chunk of lettuce. It's a little bit big, but get a little pepper, a little tomato. All right. So here we are. Thank you for coming around. I want you to make this salad. I want you to tell your friends to make it. This is very good for you. I want you to take care of yourselves. I want you to take care of each other. Stay healthy. Stay strong. Stay strong, stay strong, stay strong. In your mind, in your heart, and of course in your body. Stay faithful. Stay hopeful. Stay connected, even amidst physical separation. Stay courageous. We may not be sitting all at the same table, in the same room, but we are sitting at the same table, in the same heart. So, don't abandon your place at that table. Don't abandon your place in the community, in your family, in your circle, and outside of that circle. I want you to take good care of each other and yourselves. And come back and see me again. Stay well. Stay blessed. Peace. I love you all. If you need me, you call me right away, and I'll be here. All right. Take care for now.